You may encounter problems like the iPhone back tap not working after the iOS 16 update or the feature not working with the case, etc. This video covers possible reasons, quick fixes, and the ultimate solution to resolve this problem. Part 2. Best fixed iPhone back tap not working. If you continue to experience issues with the iPhone back tap function and it remains unresponsive, the recommended course of action is to use iOS System Recovery. Easy steps for fixing the iPhone back tap not working with iOS System Recovery. Step 1. Run iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Boot iPhone into recovery or DFU mode. Step 3. Fix the iPhone back tap not working in one click. Part 3. Other 8 quick fixes to back tap on iPhone not working. Fix 1. Check for iPhone compatibility. Fix 2. Verify iPhone back tap settings. Fix 3. Remove the case from your device. Fix 4. Update iOS version. Fix 5. Reset all settings on iPhone. Fix 6. Restart your iPhone. Fix 7. Force restart your iPhone. Fix 8. Contact Apple.